Today we're talking about one of the most underrated tools in financial planning, the Health Savings Account, or an HSA. The HSA is triple tax advantaged, but what does that really mean? The HSA is designed to help you pay for medical expenses, but it can do a lot more than that. The rule is, though, you do have to be enrolled in a high deductible health plan in order to have this account. So let's talk about that triple tax advantage. The reason the HSA is triple tax advantaged is because 1. Contributions are tax deductible. That means the money you put in is pre-tax, lowering your taxable income. 2. The growth is tax-free. That means the money inside that account can be invested and grow in a tax-advantaged way. 3. You can have tax-free withdrawals as long as the money is used for qualified medical expenses. Then you never pay taxes. No other account gives you all three. Think of a traditional IRA. You pay taxes later. Think of a Roth IRA. You pay the taxes now. HSA, no tax when it goes in, no tax on the growth, no tax when it comes out. Most people think an HSA is just a place to keep money for co-pays and prescriptions. But here's the catch. You don't have to use the money right away. You can treat it like an IRA or a 401k. Put the money there, leave it alone, let it sit and grow. Pay for your medical expenses out of pocket if you can, and save all of those receipts. Then when you're in your retirement, use those receipts, take the money out tax-free, and now you have untaxable retirement income. As of right now, here's the best part in my opinion. There is no time limit on turning in those receipts. So like I said, hold on to those receipts and use them decades in the future. Then you're pulling that money out tax-free in retirement. Whether or not at that point in time you use it for health expenses is up to you. But here is the catch. If you use your HSA for a non-medical expense prior to age 65, there is a 20% penalty. But after age 65, you can pull from that account for non-medical purposes. But you have to pay that ordinary income tax. Again, that's the benefit of saving receipts over years and using withdrawals in retirement to access those funds tax-free. In retirement, your HSA can become a super powerful tool. Just make sure you're following the rules and understand how to use it wisely. Questions on if you qualify for an HSA? Be sure to call our office and set up a free consultation.